Let's explore the meaning, usage, and cultural significance of the word girl. The word girl is one of the most common terms in English, referring to a female child or young woman. Let's start with the basic definition of the word girl. A girl is defined as a female child or a young woman, typically referring to someone from birth to young adulthood. The age range usually covers from birth through the late teens or early 20s, though this can vary by culture. This timeline shows the typical age ranges where the term girl is used, from baby to teenager and young adult. The word girl has an interesting linguistic history. The word comes from Middle English, where it was spelled girl or girl. Interestingly, it originally meant a young person of either sex, not specifically female. By the 1500s, the meaning evolved to specifically refer to a female child as we use it today. Here we see the evolution of the word girl through the centuries, changing from a gender-neutral term to its modern female-specific meaning. The word girl is used in many different contexts in modern English. It can be used neutrally, as in the girl is reading a book. It's often used casually between friends, like hey girl. It forms many compound words like girlfriend, girlhood, and schoolgirl. This diagram shows how the word girl combines with other words to create new meanings and concepts. The word girl carries different meanings in different social contexts. In some contexts, it's empowering, like in phrases girl power or girl boss. However, calling adult women girls can sometimes be seen as diminutive or disrespectful. The appropriateness depends heavily on context, including tone, relationship, and setting. This shows the difference between appropriate and less appropriate contexts for using the word girl. Let's compare girl with related terms in English. Here we compare girl with related terms like boy, woman, and lady, showing their different connotations and usage contexts. Let's summarize what we've learned about the word girl. Girl is a common English word that refers to a female child or young woman. The word has evolved significantly in meaning over the centuries. Appropriate usage depends on context, relationships, and cultural norms. It's important to be aware of age appropriateness and show respect when using this term, especially with adults.